Okay, so I finally got my Nexus 7 digital dash installed. It's connected to a on-the-go Y cable, and this will all be cleaned up here shortly. But it's a Y cable that goes down to a USB hub down here, and that's connected to a 12 volt to 5 volt step down converter that I got from O'Reilly's, part number 18001. And then the Mega Squirt is connected to this cable here. It goes down to the computer down there, and basically it's a printer cable. But I have a custom ROM on the Nexus that allows me to turn it on, and it boots right to the last thing that I had opened, which was my Mega Squirt. And when I turn it off, it goes down to standby and goes into this deep sleep mode. So my battery on the Nexus 7 can basically stay charged for a few days. It'll stay on. I believe what I read about the custom ROM is it has a 1% drop in battery for every 6 hours. So it can go a long time before it's down to 0. But when you boot it back up, it connects directly to the Mega Squirt, comes right up, and I can change everything that I want to. And I'll go ahead and start it and show that it actually works. And then it shuts off, goes down to standby, and then it turns itself off. So, yeah.